Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the daily mobile data saver and warning on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So in order to do this, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, we want to go to apps, go to system app settings, and then choose security. Now over here, go to data usage. Now, if you don't have these two options, enter data usage and data usage warning, then you might need to go to data plan, and then you will need to set a monthly data limit. So it can be set to check automatically, but if you go over here and type any amount of data limit, let's say I'm gonna choose 10 gigabytes. Of course, you can switch gigabytes to megabytes as well, and press OK. And then after that, you should be able to have these two additional options that they should show up. However, this is of course for the monthly data limit. So once we unlock this, we can go to data usage warning, and then we can turn on the daily data usage limit. And we have the certain percentage of the monthly data, so it depends on how much monthly data we set up. So we can set 3%, 5%, 10%, or we can set up a custom one. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.